Howdy friends, welcome to Free Range Ted. As you might have guessed, I am Ted, and today I am making smash burgers with onion bacon jam. First I'm going to do the burgers, then I'm going to do the jam, because the jam has a secret ingredient, and I want to give that to you at the end, so make sure you stick around. Since we're not a sponsored channel, I want to give a local shout out today to my good friends over at Flat Brim Farmer. Trey is making some killer pickles over there. He's just getting started here in the Austin area, and I'm sure he would appreciate your support. Head over to his Instagram page at Flat Brim Farmer and give him a like and a follow and comment on his stuff. He's a great dude, makes killer stuff. Now, let's go make some smash burgers. Please like and subscribe. Please. First, start with some good ground beef. I like to use 80-20. It's got to have some fat in it for flavor. Divide that out into equal-sized portions and round them out into a ball. Don't pack them too tightly. You don't want to make it tough. You're going to smash them anyway. Then sprinkle the tops with your favorite seasoning. I like to use this one because it's got basically salt, pepper, garlic, onion, all the stuff you would put in a burger anyway. Then hit your griddle top with some high smoke point oil. I use avocado oil. You could use canola or whatever you like. Make sure you spread it all around and cover the entire surface. You don't want these things sticking. Now it's time to drop and smash those patties. Make sure you put them seasoning side down, because that is how you will develop the crust. You're going to really press them into that griddle top, and then when you've got them all laid out, you're going to season up the other side and let them sit. This is the part where you're developing that crust, so you want to let them sit. If you flip them too soon, you're losing out on flavor. So get a little uncomfortable with how long they're sitting there, but let them sit. They're going to be delicious. Once they're ready, it's time to flip. Once you flipped, it's time to start dropping those cheese slices. I like one slice of cheese, but if you like 2 or 3 or whatever, you do you. After your crust has had time to develop on the second side, go ahead and stack them up and slide them to the cooler part of the griddle top. Now it's time to work on those buns. I pre-toasted mine a little bit, but you don't have to do that. I like mine to be a little bit extra crunchy, and it helps them hold up to the smash burgers a little bit better. When you're ready, go ahead and drop some butter on the griddle top if you like that buttery flavor. I mean, who doesn't, right? Whenever they're ready, go ahead and stack them up. It's time to eat, friend. Okay, let's make the onion bacon jam. I used thick slice applewood smoked bacon. You can use whatever kind you like. Pick out the one you want and dice it up into about 1-inch wide strips. Use the entire package. Drop that into your skillet over medium-low heat and cook until brown and crispy. Make sure you don't burn it though, that will ruin the flavor of your jam. Cut your onion in half from root to stem, and then make long, thin slices out of it. You're gonna cook those slices in your bacon grease that's still in your skillet. Cook your onion slices over medium-low heat. It's gonna take a little while, so be patient. We wanna get these nice and jammy. Once your onions are nice and brown, now it's time to kick it into high gear. We're gonna toss in a couple of cloves of minced garlic, some brown sugar, some apple cider vinegar, and a little bit of salt and pepper. We're going to mix that around and let it thicken up a little bit. Now it's time to add our secret ingredient, garam masala. It's going to add an earthy, spicy warmness that pairs really nicely with the sweetness of the onion. Give that a good stir and let it simmer over medium-low until it starts to thicken and it's ready to add to that burger. Can't lie, y'all. That burger was a knockout. Flat out amazing. It wasn't until after I ate it that I decided I was going to call it the onion bacon jam burger, because it is my jam. It's so good. I don't know why the garam masala takes it to that next level in the onion bacon jam, but it does. It's just so good. Like the earthiness, then a little bit of spice, and there's like just like flavors that you don't often get in a burger. It's just something very different, but all the right ways. It's just like the perfect match. It's savory, it's sweet, it's exactly what I like. And this one was a home run, absolute home run. You have to try it. Thank you so much for checking this out and for watching all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. That really helps my channel. So please do that every time you watch a video. That'd be awesome. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't done that already. And I can't wait to make the next one for you. It should be good. Take care.